Hello y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and cancel your HelloFresh subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing that you would do is going to hellofresh.com first and getting yourself logged in. Then afterwards, since you are in this homepage, what you're gonna do for you to cancel some subscription, you're gonna go ahead, tap on the horizontal line on top left corner. This will and gives you an access to your account. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead, so once you simply go to your plan section, you will find your particular plan that you have been using. If you haven't got a plan for yourself, you'll find a description to choose a plan from. Then you can scroll down to the below and tap on this cancel membership, which will be on your plan settings. Once you tap on the cancel plan, that will be under status section. Then you will tap on this reasons that will be you need to provide for you to cancel the plan here in this HelloFresh. Once you have added the question, confirm your cancellation, you will be able to cancel your subscription from over there. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.